Let me ask you a follow-up on that, Janine, because there's at least one audience member had a very specific question for those who are in the Archdiocese of Milwaukee, which underwent this messy bankruptcy process, which ended in 2015, and that resulted in many documents being posted on the Archdiocesan website. And a lot of things coming forward. I think there are people specifically in this archdiocese that are wondering what's the difference. I've heard from people saying, well, haven't we already been through all of this? And I think they're referring to the bankruptcy proceedings. So could you speak a little bit about what is the difference here than what happened in the bankruptcy proceedings?
Well, I think there are a number of differences. First of all, people that appeared, survivors that appeared in the bankruptcy wanted to make a claim. So there are all sorts of survivors out there that would like to be heard and their concerns addressed that don't want to make a claim. It did not cover people, this sort of whistleblowing reporting. I mean, I know I've heard stories from people who observed conduct by clergy and others that was either looked like grooming or ultimately certainly looked like there was some sexual assault happening, and that they never, for a variety of reasons, felt they couldn't report it. And so I think so it's a whole different population that are going to make reports here. This is not about dollars, people, this isn't about settlements. This is about exposing exactly what's happened. And I think we're going to get very different people. I know we talked about whether we thought there would be survivors from other faith traditions. And I think there will, because I don't know that they've had a place to go. Certainly the Catholic Church, people have filed their claims or hired lawyers and gone through bankruptcy. But, if some of the other Protestant religions and other churches and temples and things, I don't know that people have had a place to go. So I think it's going to be revealing to see who files those claims, especially if they can file it anonymously and then have it researched. So I think it's going to be quite different. Certainly the people who filed before will be there, but I think it'll be a much larger and more diverse group.